Welcome. In front of me is a ALCATEL 1X, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot the device for the first time, you will see this welcome screen, and from here you want to start off by choosing your language. So let me just change it to English right here, and then we can press start. So then you will see the page where you can insert your SIM card. Now this completely doesn't matter in any kind of way. You can insert it now, tomorrow, or never, and whenever you choose to insert it, it basically will start working. So this page is kind of useless. So I'm gonna skip this. Then copy apps and data. Now I'm gonna set it up as new, so that's what I'm gonna choose here. Then you have Wi-Fi connection, so you can choose to connect to Wi-Fi. The only difference, if you do, will be the option for you to log into Google a couple of steps later. Now if you don't have Wi-Fi connection in your area, wherever you are right now, you can just tap on skip and just completely skip this step for now, and later on connect to Wi-Fi as you would normally do. So here you have time, then name, and now this basically refers to the name of the device. So whatever you choose here, that will be, for instance, the name of the Bluetooth later on. So if you, I don't know, write Joe Smith as it is right here, later on if you're looking for Bluetooth devices, and more particularly your device specifically, it will be listed as Joe Smith instead of, for instance, the ALCATEL 1X. Now if you leave this empty, just by tapping on next, it will then take the name of the phone itself, which is like I said, the ALCATEL. Then you have some kind of protection, so you can add a PIN pattern or password, or just not now if you're not interested in it. I'm gonna add a pattern. So once you choose whichever one you want, then you get a secure startup. Now this is kind of useless in my opinion. What it will do is when the device is turning on, before it actually fully turns on, it gives you, in my case it's gonna be a pattern. Then it's gonna boot to the lock screen where I need to put in the pattern once more. So I find this kind of annoying and useless, so I'm gonna choose no. If you choose yes, you will basically be putting pattern twice when your for instance device dies and you charge it up and power it back on. So at any time you have to turn on the device, it will have two different patterns. So now I'm drawing and redrawing the pattern, confirm. Unlock with face. Now this is another optional way of unlocking the device apart from the pattern that I have set, but I'm gonna skip this for now. You can do that if you want to add face, and it will just turn on the camera, and I believe you will have to move your face around so the phone gets like a good read of your entire face. And from here we have some Google services, so you can read one or all of them, see what they exactly do, and then disable or enable them. Things like localization, once you disable it, there will be certain apps that will require it, for instance Google Maps, so then it will prompt you to enable it. Then you have some send user and diagnostic data, so basically the phone will gather data on, I assume, what you're doing on it and how often, stuff like that, and then it will just be sending that to Google. And yeah, so you can disable all of these if you wish, and then tap on accept. And anything else, control lock screen notifications. This will just allow you how the notifications are displayed on your lock screen when the device is locked, so you can kind of hide them till you unlock the device. It's more for like a security reason. If you're in a work environment, leave your phone and you have someone really nosy, this will allow you to basically hide the content of your notifications or the notifications altogether from your lock screen. I'm gonna choose no thanks, so I'm not gonna bother with that. And setup complete. Finish, and there we go. So we're done with setup. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.